Section 1 of our article, Contemporary Indigenous Peoples of Latin America. Section 1. Latin America, called Latin after the Romance languages spoken by the region's European colonizers, is the term used for the countries south of the United States in Central and South America. When colonizers from Spain, Portugal, and France came in the 1400s and 1500s, there were already robust populations of people living in these areas, speaking their own languages. These indigenous peoples have long and rich histories of their own, and although European culture has had a dominant influence on Latin America, indigenous groups have kept their cultures alive in the centuries since colonization. According to the latest census, about 45 million indigenous people live in the Latin American countries, with the largest populations being in Mexico, Guatemala, Peru, and Bolivia. Indigenous peoples make up more than 40% of the total population in Guatemala, and more than 60% in Bolivia. Mexico has the largest total indigenous population.